living in a dystopia. Ain't lost hope in you. Through the smog and the propaganda, I see you. Concrete canyons, holographic skies. You're the one real thing in the world of lies. Sirens wail a static tune underneath the cold electric moon. They got the thieves, they got the spies, but they can't see the fire. So let the rain fall, acidic and gray. We'll find the cracks and break away. They build the walls to keep us down, but our roots run deep beneath this town. Living in a dystopia. Ain't lost hope in you. No, this heart ain't broke. I'll see it through for you. I went on Google Earth, I had to see. Zoomed all the way out, just you and me. Not much green left, just brown and gray. They sold the forest day by day. The last of the trees are in a neon zoo. They charge a credit just for the view, but I remember the pictures, the stories told of a world that was breathing, brave and bold. So let the rain fall, acidic and gray. We'll find the cracks and break away. They build the walls to keep us down, but our roots run deep beneath this town. In a dystopia, ain't lost hope in you. No, this heart ain't broke. I see it through for you. In a dystopia, ain't lost hope in you. In a dystopia. But I ain't lost hope in you. Not much green left, but I'll find it with you.